Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Augusta, and if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this jumbo knotless box braid. And guys, this is the first time I'm trying out a knotless braid and it turned out very well, okay? So this is going to be a very detailed video. I'm going to be explaining every step, like all the process, everything I did to achieve this jumbo knotless braid, okay? So without talking too much, let's just jump right into the video. So I started off by sectioning out my hair, guys. I sectioned all my hair. I actually love doing this now whenever I'm going for a jumbo box braid because it just makes my work easier, okay? It helps me know how many braid I'm going to end up doing, and also it kind of gives you an idea if the extension hair you have already will be enough, okay, for the style you're going for. And guys, I washed my hair the previous day before doing this, okay? So if you're going to do a protective style, I'll advise you wash your hair, okay? Make sure you're doing your protective style on a very clean hair, okay? And as you guys can see, I have the type 4 hair, so I twisted it just to stretch it out a little bit because I don't want to use any heat on it at all. So after washing my hair, I stretched it just to straighten it a little bit, and the next day, which is the day that I'm making this hair, I just loosened the twist, okay? So I used my picking comb to section my hair, and I used the Shine and Jam gel. And guys, you can actually use any gel of your choice, okay? Any gel you've already been using on your hair, it's okay. You don't have to get the Shine and Jam gel, okay? But if you're an OG on this channel, you know that Shine and Jam gel is my favorite gel, okay, for protective hairstyles. So I use the Shine and Jam gel to slick down my hair, guys. Like, this is going to help with your parting, like it's going to make the parting of your hair very clean, and it's also going to help, like, you know, slick down the roots of your hair. So I used a rubber band to hold my hair, and guys, we're not going to be braiding this hair with a rubber band, okay? I'm going to be taking off the rubber band when I start braiding my hair. I'm just using the rubber band to hold the hair in place, you know. So yeah, this is what I did all through the hair. So just use a picking comb to section out your hair to your desired size, okay? I'm going for the jumbo braids, that is why I'm doing a bigger section. And you want to go ahead and use your jam or your gel to slick down your hair, okay? You can also use it while parting your hair because the gel helps you make a clean and very crispy part, okay? Now you want to go ahead and use a rubber band to hold that section here, okay? And please don't hold it too tight because you're going to be taking it off as soon as you start braiding the hair. And guys, I ended up with 26 sections of hair, okay? So this is the extension hair I actually used for this braid, okay? And I got about 9 braids from each pack, guys. So I brought out the hair I want to use for each braid, and I went ahead to section it into 4 smaller sections, okay? Making sure that one piece is actually smaller than the other 3, okay? Guys, knotless box braids are like feeding braids, okay? So you're going to be feeding in the hair extension while braiding, okay? So this is why I'm sectioning this extension into 4 smaller pieces. To start braiding, you have to section your natural hair into 3, okay? And you're going to start off the braiding process with your natural hair. So I started off braiding with my natural hair, and I did a 2-step braid, okay? I did the first one and I did a second braid before I started feeding in the extension. And I started off with a smaller piece of the extension, okay? So you want to grab the smaller piece of the extension and you want to place it in the finger that is in the middle, which is your thumb and your index finger. As you guys can see me, like I'm trying to show you guys, like you're going to place it on your thumb and index finger. So if you look at my left hand, you're going to see that I'm placing it in my thumb and my index finger. And you want to go ahead and do 1-step braid. You want to grab another piece of the hair extension and also place it between your thumb and your index finger, and that is the finger holding the hair in the middle, okay? Now I'm going to explain this again and again and again so you guys can understand it perfectly, okay? It's actually very easy as soon as you grab the concept, okay? So after feeding in the 4 hair, you want to continue braiding as usual, you know, just like you do your usual box braid, okay? Just go ahead and continue braiding until you get to the tip of the hair. Guys, I know it seems like this is a bit complicated, right? Trust me, guys, as soon as you get a concept of this, you are going to be fine. Like, this is one of the easiest hairstyles to do. And as soon as you get done with the first and second one, you are going to grab the concept immediately, and you're going to see that this is so easy to do. Okay, so I'm going to explain this again and again so everyone is going to understand it. So remember, when you grab the piece of hair you want to use for this braid, to separate it into 4 smaller pieces. Okay, and make sure that one of those pieces is smaller. Okay, so now you want to separate your natural hair into 3. Before that, you want to make sure you use the Shine and Jam gel to slick down your hair. Okay, I have the type 4 hair, so my hair is kind of coarse, so I make sure to use the gel on the roots of my hair and also on the, like the body of the hair and the tip of the hair. This is going to help my hair to slick down very, very well. Okay, and now I'm going to separate it into 3 and I start braiding with my natural hair. Okay, and guys, I do a 2-step braid, as you can see in this video. So I use my natural hair to do a 2-step braids first, and I start feeding in the hair extension. Okay, so grab one piece of the hair extension and place it between your thumb and your index finger and do 1-step braid. Okay, now grab the second piece, also place it between your index finger and your thumb and do another step braid. This is what you're going to continue doing. Grab the third one and the fourth one, place it in between your thumb and your index finger and go ahead and continue braiding. Okay, so knotless box braids are like feeding braids. Okay, so you're feeding in the extension as you braid. Okay, this is what gives it that very, very seamless look. Okay, at the roots of the hair. So you want to go ahead and braid your hair the way you do your usual braids. Okay, now I'm going to show this again. You don't have to rewind it. I'm going to show it again. Okay? So separate your natural hair into 3 and start braiding with your natural hair. You do a 2-step braid, guys, and make sure you're gripping your natural hair very, very tight. Okay, do a 2-step braid, and then you want to grab that smaller piece of the hair extension and place it between your index finger and your thumb, and then do 1-step braid. Grab the second extension hair, also place it between your index finger and your thumb and do another step braid. Okay, now you want to grab the third piece of hair, guys, and place it between your index finger and your thumb again, and you want to go ahead and do 1-step braid. And while doing this, make sure you are holding the hair so tight. Okay, make sure you're holding it very, very tight. You don't want to let the grip go at all. Now you want to grab the next hair and also place it in your index finger and your thumb and do another step braid. Now after the 4th piece of hair, which is the last piece of hair, you want to go ahead and continue braiding the hair as usual. Okay, just try and make sure that you're hiding your natural hair inside the hair extension. Okay, so it doesn't peek through the hair. Okay, and you can also add more gel to the tip of your natural hair. This is going to help kind of conceal your natural hair. Okay, it's going to help it slick down, and it's also going to help conceal it very well. Okay, so continue braiding. And guys, while braiding down, if you feel like one piece of hair is smaller than the other one, you can just grab a little piece from the bigger hair, like from the bigger piece, like just borrow small hair from the bigger piece and add it to the smaller piece and just continue braiding. This is not going to show at all. You're not going to see it on the braided hair. Okay, just like I did here, I showed it here. Grab a piece from the bigger piece and add it to the smaller one and continue braiding. Just borrow from each other. Okay guys, borrow from each other and continue braiding. And when you get to the tip of the hair, I'm going to show you guys what I did. Okay, so I went ahead to separate the hair in the middle, or you can just add it to one of the hair, and you're going to have 2 pieces of hair, and then you can start twisting it. Okay, so I ended each braid with a twist at the tip of the hair. So I'm just going to stop talking now and let you guys watch. Okay, because I know some people understand better with just watching without any voice at the background. Okay, so see you guys when I'm done. We lose our souls every day. We lost minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. The world is dead, but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we're surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light.
We are just shadows.
Guys, to explain the step one more time, you want to separate your natural hair into 3 parts, okay? And you want to start the braiding process with your natural hair. So you want to go ahead and do a 2-step braid, okay? And make sure you're gripping the roots of your natural hair very tight, like grip it very tight, okay? And now you want to grab one piece of the hair extension, the smaller piece, that is the first piece you're going to use, and you want to add it between your index finger and your thumb and do a 1-step braid. Grab the second piece of hair, put it in the middle of your index finger and your thumb and do another step braid. You want to grab the third hair, do same thing, and also grab the fourth piece of hair and also put it in between your index finger and your thumb and continue braiding, okay? So after the fourth one, you just want to continue braiding and try your best to hide your natural hair like inside the hair extension, okay? Because you don't want it to peek through. And when you get to the tip of the hair, you want to end it with a twist, okay? This is going to keep your braids in place, okay? This is going to make sure that your braids doesn't unravel. So yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. If you're still here watching, thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this video. Are you going to try the hair out? Guys, this is my first time trying this style and I nailed it at the first attempt, okay? So you can do it too, okay? It's not that difficult. As soon as you get the concept, you are good to go, okay? So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. Thank you for liking, for commenting. I really appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.